Hello, fellow diggers. Oh, another glorious day the Lord's made for us. I'm here again at Glass Lake. I'm about tuckered out trying to get everything over here. Anywho, I'm going to try to do something that probably most people hadn't done. I'm going to try to get close up to this metal wall. If you remember some videos back where I threw the lock and then jumped against the wall. But anyways, I'm going to take my rake and rake back a bunch of some limbs and logs and mess. As you can see the log right there. Try to get that mess out of the way. I bet that one's there for good. Yeah, that was there for good. Anyways, there's a lot of sand. I bet it's field sand from where they put that wall in. I'd almost guarantee it. But anyway, oh, look at my new addition. My cold weather gloves. I look like Dr. Frankenstein with my gloves on. I'm ready for surgery now. You need a leg cut off, an arm amputated. Oh, I can do it. I got my reciprocating saw. You can see in them other videos where I got them. We having lake turnover too. If you don't know what that is, that's where the water is hotter on the bottom than it is on the top. Anyways, it comes up and turns over. The lake does, and well, all bodies of water do that of any size, I guess. But anywho, oh, right there. I trip and fall today, boy, it'll be tough. But anyways, glug of cement, fellow diggers. I'll roll it on that chair out the way just a touch. People stop and ask me, what you doing? I'm planting my garden. You ain't never seen nobody plant a garden before? Well, so there's quite a bit of cement there. I should have brought my underwater reciprocating saw to cut that. I'm gonna have to get Aqua Chigger down here, let him go under there and cut all these limbs out of the way. There's my pipe marking what I want to have marked. Don't give away no secrets. Okay, fellow diggers, I'll check you after I get through with my gardening. Over and out, fellow diggers. Well, fellow diggers, I'd be dog if I didn't score me big money. Look at that, a 1964, I believe. So I think that right there would be silver, wouldn't it? Oh boy, I love it when a plan comes together. You cast your eyeballers onto that. Oh man. Signal blowed my ears out, that little hockey puck. Alright, fellow diggers. Put that in a safe place. And I'll check you on the next one. Well, fellow diggers. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I want you to take a gander, lay your eyeballs onto that. Look at that. Oh, my mercy sake. I think that's Ben Franklin. I happen to declare I do. It looks like him. Man. And I got a stinking Lincoln in the same hole. Oh man. Cast your eyes on to that, fella digger. Yay. I about want to do me a hammy dance right here in the lake. Goodly doodly doo doo doo. Ooh, look at that thing. Man, first one I ever dug up. Man, never thought I'd get me one of them. Oh, fella diggers. Oh, fella diggers. Yeah, fella diggers. Alrighty. Check y'all later. I'm going to dig up the whole place now. Check you on the next one. Well, fella diggers, I'm going to ease back to the truck. take off my little hockey puck and put me on my bigger coil. I've checked right against that seawall. It done real well. I got my first Ben Franklin ever. Oh, thank you, Lord. But anyways, check you on the next one, fellow diggers. Uh-oh, adios. Well, fellow diggers, give you a panoramic view. I had the camera messed up somehow or another. But anyways, I'll check you on the next one, fellow diggers. Well, fellow diggers, I got an 82, which ought to have been a dime, and it was a dime. Look at that bad boy there. It looks silver, but Treasure Jack, it ain't silver. Oh well, that's better than nothing. It still ain't as good as that Franklin though, that Franklin half. Good googly boogly, I still can't believe I found that. Man, that's just too cool. Let's see if we got anything else into here before we a little bit of glass. Alright, fellow diggers, check you on the next one. Well, fellow diggers, I got a 53 on my meter, and I'll be off. It ain't a nickel. Man, it's hard to believe. It's being exactly what it read it's supposed to be. Alrighty, fellow diggers. I don't see nothing else. Alrighty, fellow diggers. Check you on the next one. Well, fellow diggers, found me two more fishing lures. No, one fishing lure. Looks like about a 45, I reckon. I don't know, but anyway, that ought to got him. Sure. Okay, fellow diggers, check you on the next one. Well, fellow diggers, big money again. Look at that thing. Woo! Cast an eyeball onto that thing. It's 19 something something. It's copper. Yeah, it can't be too old. Alright, fellow diggers, I'll check you on the next one. I'm running out of steam quick. Alrighty then. Well, fellow diggers, I was going to do a tailgate roundup, but I'm too tired. I'm going to rest on the way home, and I'll do one at the at Mr. Corn Digger's house. Alright, check you later, fellow diggers. Over and out. It fell off of the end of the couch. Oh man, there it goes. Hello, fellow diggers. Well, made it back home. Found a Ben Franklin half. It's a 1951. How about that in Treasure Jack? That's silver. Here. Then got a 1964 quarter. That's silver. And I got a 43 war nickel. Got a gaggle of Wheaties, memorials. There's a part of a zinking. Got 3 Wheaties, 41 and 2 44s. Got 2 quarters, 4 nickels, and 2 dimes. All them's modern. Found me a little bit of copper. And I found the evil one. Anyways, he had to show up. Alright then, fellow diggers, we'll check you later. Over and out.